How to round image corners in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can round corners of an image in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Canva, head over to canva.com and go to a project. So just open up a project that you're working on or start a new one. After you do that, you'll find your image. So make sure that you import the image. And after you import the image, head over to Elements. And on Elements, head over to Frame right here. Tap on Frame, and there you'll find different frames. Now to round off your corners for an image, you'll see this frame right here that does not have any edge and is slightly curved on the edges. Tap on that and import it right here. After you do that, you can drag this image like this and put it on the frame. Doing that, you'll notice that the images on the frame, the image's corner has been rounded off. So let's check that. As you can see, it's been rounded off. And it's that simple to do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe.